in the preparation of ammonia in the by the Haber process. The favorable conditions, the pressure is at 200 to 400 atmosphere and the temperature is 450 to 500 degrees Celsius. And in this method, the mixture of hydrogen and nitrogen by 3:1 volume ratio. 3 moles of hydrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen. So 3:1 volume ratio, hydrogen and nitrogen mixture is passed into compressor. Here both are compressed to because of 200 to 1000 atmospheric pressure is maintained here. So here 2 to 400 air is required pressure. So at that pressure the both reactants can be mixed. And that compressed hydrogen and nitrogen mixture is passed through the catalyst bed. Catalyst bed means here iron is a catalyst, molybdenum is a promoter. Iron is catalyst, molybdenum promoter. So this is catalyst chamber, catalytic chamber, which is having iron bed. So this compressed hydrogen and nitrogen gas passed into the catalyst chamber. Here they are reacted and 10% of ammonia is prepared in this chamber. So the 10% ammonia and unreacted hydrogen and nitrogen all will be passed here another chamber. This is the cooling chamber. So this reaction mixture is passed into cooling chamber. Here 10% of ammonia is formed, that is liquefied. So that liquid ammonia is received by receiver. That liquid ammonia formed is received by the receiver. Then unreacted and nitrogen and hydrogen That unreacted nitrogen and hydrogen is passed through the recirculating chamber. So the unreacted nitrogen and hydrogen recirculating chamber is collected and again it should be recirculated to form ammonia. This is the procedure. Next, properties of ammonia. Properties of ammonia. Properties. See, ammonia is a colorless, pungent smell gas. And it has freezing point. Is 198 Kelvin. And boiling point is 240 Kelvin. It is more soluble in water, very well soluble in water. It is more soluble in water because hydrogen bond. So ammonia can be soluble in water and reacted with water, it forms ammonium hydroxide. So in water ammonia is mostly exists in ammonium hydroxide form. So next, this ammonia formed in the Haber process is dried up by calcium oxide. Ammonia is basic in nature. So it cannot dried up by sulfuric acid, or it cannot dried up by sulfuric acid and phosphorus pentoxide and anhydrous calcium chloride. So sulfuric acid acidic, P2O5 acidic oxide and anhydrous calcium chloride. With these it cannot be dried up because it can be reacted. So then by using what reagent we can dry it up? By using quicklime. Quicklime means calcium oxide. Quicklime. By using CaO, ammonia can be dried up. Using CaO, it dried up. Okay, now next. So some chemical reactions of ammonia. Chemical reactions of ammonia. If you see chemical reactions of ammonia is ammonia when react with acids. For example, ammonia when react with HCl, it forms ammonium chloride salt. So here it is acid. So now ammonia acts as a base. Should be formed salt. Next, with metal salts. Ammonia in ammonia solution we are taking. Ammonia solution means ammonia is formed in the form of ammonium hydroxide. Ammonia in water is ammonia solution. In ammonia water forms ammonium hydroxide. This can be treated with metal salts. Metal salts mean zinc sulfate, for example. So zinc sulfate solution. It forms zinc hydroxide and also ammonium sulfate. So hydroxides are from metal salts. Those metal salts will react with ammonia solution. This is ammonia solution. Zinc sulfate forms hydroxide, zinc hydroxide. And similarly, the ammonia solution. When reacted to ferric chloride, FeCl, solution, then it forms hydroxides. Otherwise, ferric oxide takes moles of water, and also ammonium chloride. So these are formed. So here salts are going to form, hydroxides or oxides form. And next, ammonia act as acid and also reductant in some cases. Ammonia act as reductant and acid also. Example, cupric oxide, copper plus 2 oxidation state. Cupric oxide when react with ammonia, it forms copper. So here copper oxide going to form copper. That means plus 2 oxidation state going to 0. That means it is reduced. Copper oxide reduced. Who reduces? Ammonia reduces. So ammonia is a reductant. So here copper and also nitrogen and H2O is formed. And also this ammonia react with metals, active metals means generally first group metals react with ammonia ideal catalysts, so high heating temperature. Sodium metals, active metals, first group metals, active metals when react with ammonia forms sodamide, NaNH2. Sodamide. So here this metal is a base. Generally first group metal act as base. Now it is act as acid. Ammonia act as acid. So it is act as base. So both are reacting to form sodamide to liberation of hydrogen gas. Next.